What's up? So you guys already know by the title of this video what's this about, and I am super excited to try the turkey for the very first time. And today I am joined by my friend who is Sweta Patro. This girl right here. Sweta, say hi to my vlog. So if you wanna know where is this place where you can get some delicious turkey, then you need to watch this vlog till the end. And tab tak ke liye subscribe, like,
share,
and
comment.
Yes. So Sweta, are you excited about it?
Yes, very much.
Very much. So जिन लोगों को पता नहीं है what is turkey, I think most of the people know what are turkey. Like people who watch Friends, they definitely know, because Friends में Thanksgiving में all the time they used to serve turkey. But turkey is a meat which is more like chicken, but it's a taller and bigger version of chicken, which is originally from Turkey. I guess Istanbul, Turkey. Yes. And they are high in protein and in vitamin B and less carbs. So
much information.
I googled everything before starting this video because I don't wanna be a stupid. So yeah, if you wanna know where is this place in Kolkata, then keep watching.
Yeah.
Guys, हम लोग आ चुके हैं कैलकाटा बेकरी कैफे पे, एंड आई नो व्हाट यू गाइज आर वेटिंग फॉर. इट गोना कम सून. सो मैं थोड़ा सा डिटेल्स दे देती हूँ इस कैफ़े के बारे में. इट्स इन कोलकाता, बागा ज्योतिन, एंड इट्स अ पॉकेट फ्रेंडली मल्टी क्विजिन कैफे. सो गाइज, वी मेट two very famous people from Kolkata, two very famous bloggers. One is Shrishti and another one is Shoham. Like, if you have to go in any restaurant or any cafe, you know where to find the perfect one. It's in Shoham's Instagram, right? Yes or not? What's your Instagram?
It's called Designs.
I guess everyone knows. They know. Okay, guys.
And ये देख लो, हम लोग का टर्की तो आ गया lavishly. They are serving it, and the most interesting part is they are flaming the turkey. And ये देखने में तो मज़ा ही आ जाता है guys. Look at the process. It's just stunning to look at. Oh my god, this hot turkey. Just can't wait to dig in. और अगर आप लोग भी ऐसा ही टर्की एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं कैलकाटा में, तो आप लोगों को पता ही है कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा. लेकिन जाने से पहले प्री बुकिंग करना मत भूलिएगा.
The turkey comes. You can serve.
Maybe I can.
No.
अच्छा ना.
24. See, taking it right is not a, because I can upload it from any.
गाइस, ये खा के तो सही में मज़ा आ गया. फुल ऑफ टेंडरनेस, फुल ऑफ फ्लेवर, एंड माय गुडनेस. आप लोग अगर ये ट्राई नहीं कर रहे तो क्या मिस कर रहे हो ज़िंदगी में.
Shrishti? It's really good. Shweta?
और तो और माय फूडी फ्रेंड्स, हम यहीं पे ना रुके. हमने ट्राई किया सबसे बड़ा पिज़्ज़ा, उसके साथ साथ रोस्टेड पोर्क. ओ माय गॉड. और तो और साथ ही साथ मैंने जूसी डक भी ट्राई कर लिया फ्रॉम कैलकाटा बेकरी कैफ़े. और तो और इनका इंग्लिश ब्रेकफास्ट है कंप्लीट फूडी पैकेज.
to eat a muffin. I'll show you.
আমাকে একটু কেক যদি করো আমাকে
গরমা গরম
এত ভালো সাজানো করলো এই ঝুলন্ত মন্দিরে দিয়ে দেবে
ভাবি একটু গরম গরম
আমি আমার ছোটবেলা থেকে আমি 10টার মধ্যে তাও আমাকে যেতে জায়গা আসতো না আমি যদি 90 পেতাম তাও আমাকে জায়গা আসতো না বাবা আর বলবেন আমাকে দাও
It's done. So we had a really great time. The food was awesome. Actually, yeah. And now we are waiting for our coffee. We will try how the coffee is in this bakery, right? This is very important. So. We will share.
We'll share like कैसे?
Like I will take one sip, then do
Oh
extra.
my god! This is all naka naka thing.
Naga naga na. I do चीनी लगा. We'll take all of this. नहीं तो ये ढाल के.
Okay.
Oh
my god.
How much is too much?
No.
Here, take it.
Now taste it and review it.
Now it's good. Try. Now it's perfect. Now it's perfect. So here our day comes to an end.
Yes.
अब हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं?
Nothing.
Nothing. हम लोग का प्लान था पार्क स्ट्रीट जाने को and
But ये नहीं जाएगी.
मतलब घर जाने के लिए बहुत लेट हो रहा है अभी. I have to go home now. But we are meeting on 23rd. Guys, 23rd wala video is already live and you can watch it abhi, which is the Park Street vlog during Christmas. And we will be going to
Park Street.
Park Street. We will show you how the Christmas looks like
In Kolkata.
in Kolkata during Christmas season. Yeah. ये पी नहीं सकती फिर भी ये पी रही है.
But because I don't like to waste, no? That's why.
Aww. We are late.
Please, that's it.
For us, we have the pizza. The large with बहुत सारी pizza.
Yes. Don't show my face like I'm sipping coffee.
अभी तक दिन खत्म नहीं हुआ है, guys. I'm trying to find an ATM. We are trying to find an ATM now. घर जाने के लिए. We don't have cash. No ATM, no घर जाना.
Struggle of being an YouTuber.
YouTuber? अभी तक तो मैं सिर्फ Instagrammer ही हूँ.
No. अभी तुम YouTuber हो.
With 56 followers.
Damn.
I just wanted to be 56K. मिल गया ATM.
Daily vlogging struggle.
Money guys, money. घर जाने का पैसा.
इतना शो क्यों करती हो तुम? ATM से मनी निकाल के इतना शो. Oh God.
पैसा
2 दिन में पैसा डबल.
200 का 400.
You are capturing this seriously?
Yeah, single life. Capturing romantic bikers.
God. They are twinning basically.
Yeah. Hey, there 3 of them are wearing neon.
Same.
अजीब लग रहा.
अजीब है. Oh God.
Where she is going now? What the fuck?
Oh my God.
इन लोगों का झगड़ा हो गया bro. What the fuck?
नजर लग गया.
नजर लग गया. No, she's there. They're going. What the?